Oh my gosh, look at it. Look at that cute little woodpecker. Either that is a woodpecker or a yellow-bellied sapsucker. I'm not 100% sure on that. Oh, my nose. Oh, look at it. It's like right there. Oh my gosh. It's not even like scared of me or nothing. I was out here calling to the Baltimore Orioles. Look at him. Oh, he's so pretty. For reference, this is how far away he is from me. Which I know to some people might not seem like a lot. Look at that pretty baby. I think they have babies in this tree and I've been trying to find them. While my Baltimore Orioles are making calls in the background. Oh my gosh.